We're checking out the Bandit Supreme Teal Stripe Preamp. Have a listen to this. It completely transforms the amplifier. This is an exact recreation of the lead channel circuit found in the prized Bandit 112. Let's try a little bit of blues rock stuff now. Great for lead sort of stuff. Have a listen to this. I was able to get some really great rhythm tones and lead tones here in the studio just by running this. That's one of the things that not a lot of pedals can do.